Hey there, welcome back to another Sunday Range Day and another Heritage here on the channel. But I think you all are going to be surprised with this one. This was a little bit different, and we try to reach out and get some of the oddball ones, I guess you could say. But this time, this go around here, we have Rough Rider 22LR WMR Magnum Blue 9-inch. This one is the 9-inch. Let's show you that it is clear. There's nothing in that cylinder. There is no ammo present. As we said, the cylinder is empty. There is nothing in the chambers. No ammo present. Yeah, this is a pretty nifty one here. Let me get this box out of the way and we'll dive into this. And we do have an unboxing video on this. Go check that out. But yeah. But overall, as you can see, this one is the adjustable sight model. Very bright, very visible, vivid sights with the orange front and the green rear. And come with a nice set of rosewood on this one. You did see the Magnum cylinder in the box. But this ought to be a hoot with the adjustable sights. But yeah, that's stands out very well. See if we can get a line sight picture there. Miss Wayne, if you want to line up on that list, you can. Yeah, that stands out pretty well. Is it?
Yep, the camera's trying to focus, but yeah.
Good deal. We'll have some cool pictures at the end. We always do on these things. And yeah, so let's dive into this and see what kind of grouping that this 9-inch will give us. We won't spend a ton of time on target because we've got some fun stuff with us. And let's see what this jewel will do. All right, first off the bat, we've got the Federal Auto Match here. And this is just that typical 40 grain dump box stuff. We've got 6 of those loaded up. We're going to take aim at the top target and see just what kind of group that this thing will give us. And I'd like to revisit and try this at longer range eventually, if you'll hold together for us. All right, safety's off. Eyes and ears are on. And we'll send these outrange. I believe this is it here. Let's be sure. Yep. Okay, safety's on. Let's make the pistol clear and safe. And we will go check our target. Wah, wah, wah. Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Cookie shot. We got it. Let's move on to the next type and see if that group will stay consistent.
Is that 2 or 3 cookie shots?
Mini.
Mini, okay.
All right. This go around, we've got the good old trusty golden bullets. Seem to have decent luck with those out of these. These are the 40 grain plated solid. These are not hollow points. Actually, wait a minute. Yes, they are. Or are they? Let me see. That was a hollow point. How'd that get in there? Let me see. No, these are the solids. I got these out of the box and loaded it. So these are the solids. This one was sitting on the table. Anyways, but these are solids. These are not hollow points. But see what kind of grouping we get on that second down target. It's a wee bit smaller. And yeah, the golden bullet. Here we go. All right, that was all 6. Safety is on. Let's clear the cylinder, make it safe, and check it out. Hey, great grouping, great grouping. We got the black. I'll take that. That's probably half a cookie, I guess.
Or chocolate chip or 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great grouping. That golden bullet is really surprising me. All right, one more time and we'll get into the fun stuff. Now this go around, we got the Mini Mag. These are hollow points. These are 36 grains running at 1260 feet per second. Oh, just a copper plated little hollow point there. So let me get my ears on and my eyes, and we'll send these at the bottom and see what kind of difference they give us, being a little bit more hotter. Safety off, and the range is going hot. That was all 6. Let's get the safety on. Clean out the cylinder, make her safe, and we'll check our target out. Hey, there we go. There we go. Terrific grouping. Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 touching, guys. I'll take that all day.
Did it again.
Yeah. So we got some black here, got some black here, got some black there. Bullseye cookies. Yes, for all. Let's set up some fun stuff. All right, back again. We have another can of outdated mystery product. Let's try those hollow point mini mags and see if we can open this can. All right, we got the mini mag hollow points loaded up now.
Oh, wait. Hold up. Pause.
All right, Miss Wayne so kindly just informed me that we forgot our remote camera. So we're actually improvising today. I forgot my tripod, so there was an old chair frame. I don't know if you can make it out.
Yeah,
out
they
there.
can see it.
But we have zip tied the phone to it, so hopefully we'll get you some good remote with that. My apologies, guys. We'll do better. Okay, Mini Mag hollow points. Let's see if we can punch that can open. Hey-o. There we go. Safety is on. Let's check it out. And with the Mini Mag hollow point, a little to the right, but it went clean through, and we found out that was some old beef stew. So, moving along, we have another can up here. Mr. Happy Face here, little tongue sticking out. Ooh, diced tomatoes. Usually get a good reaction out of that. Let's see if we can open that can. All right, let's send it again. We got the Mini Mag hollow points loaded up against the can of Mr. Can of diced tomatoes. Yeah. Safety off. And we're going hot there. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh!
Got him. Safety is on. Let's check it out. All right, that went everywhere. So let's see where we made impact, if we can make it out at all without getting all nasty with this. Yeah, well, it got him in the mouth, didn't it? And those are definitely old diced tomatoes. Yuck. And then straight out the back. There you see it. Next, doing so good with those mini mags. Let's see if we can get this bottle of water to bust here.
He looks shocked.
I know, just surprised. Same go around. We got the mini mag. We'll see if we're going to open that can of water up. Seems to be doing well with everything else. Let's see if we can punch that can with this big old 9-inch adjustable sight Rough Rider. 3, 2, 1.
Somebody forgot.
And there was the perfect example of the Heritage safety in action. We'll take the safety off and give it a go again. The suspense is terrible, ain't it, guys? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, man. All right, safety's on. Try to keep it real, guys. I mean, honestly, I could edit that stuff out, but it's so much funner because it happens to all of us. Let's check it out. All right, we knew that hit it. That's a fact. And it hit it right in the mouth, right where I was aiming. Pretty a little bit low because I was aiming for center of black. That's terrific, terrific accuracy. Slippery, got diced tomatoes, waters. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the 9-inch Heritage Rough Rider adjustable sight model there. And she is clear now for handling. Nothing in the cylinder. There's no ammunition present. And there you have it. I really enjoy that. The accuracy on this thing it's awesome. We will come back and visit this one again. Needless to say, because yeah, with this kind of accuracy at this range, it's right around close to, that's pretty close. That's about 15 yards, I think. But either way, yeah, we'll stretch this out and see what we can do. With that 9-inch barrel, it should be capable of much, much more than that. And yeah, just want to see how she run today and get a first look to you guys and see what you think. Anymore, I'm enjoying the adjustable sight models because it's usually a hit and miss. You know, where's it going to hit? What's it going to do? So, guys, thanks for watching. And as usual, you got some cool pictures at the end. We appreciate you tuning in. Big shout out to the subscriber base and all the channel members for keeping the lights on. We appreciate you. God bless and take care.